knows nothing. Good heavens, how you look.
What?
You are as pale as a ghost.
Am I? Oh, the sun's rising, the sun.
Now the troll spell is broken.
The trolls have indeed been worthless thing. But Jean, you must come with me, for I cannot go alone. I have money enough.
Plenty?
Enough to start with. But go with me, for I cannot go alone. For think of the stuffy train cars packed in with people and the crowds of people staring at one. And the long stops at the train station. No one would be speeding away. No, I cannot. And then the memories, the childhood memories of Midsummer Day, the church decorated with branches and syringe blossoms, the festive dinner tables with family relations and friends, and then the afternoons in the park, and the music and the games and dancing flowers. Oh, one may fly, but anguish and remorse follow in the pack wagon.
Okay, I'll go with you. We leave instantly, before it's too late. But no baggage. That would betray us.
Only what we can carry in the queue.
What have you there?
It is only my canary. I cannot, will not leave it behind.
So we are to lodge a barricade with us? Are you crazy? Let go of it!
It is the only thing that I take from home with me, the only living creature that cares for me. What? Don't be hard, let me take it with me.
Let go of it. And don't speak so loudly. Kristen will hear us.
I will not leave it up to stray chance. I would rather see it dead.
Give me the creature. I'll fix it.
No, I cannot.
Give it to me. I can.
My little siren, is your mistress brought with you?
Be so good as to not make a scene. Your welfare and your life is at stake. You should have learned how to chop a chicken's head off before shooting it with a revolver. Maybe then you would have swooned at the drop of blood.
Kill me! Kill me too! You who can picture an innocent bird without a tremble! I shrink from you! I curse the day I ever met you! I curse the day I was conceived in my mother's womb!
Let's be off! What good is cursing going to do? Let's go!
Let's see. You think I cannot stand the sight of blood? You think I am weak? How I should like to see your blood flowing. Your brain on the chopping block. All your sex swimming in the sea blood. I think I could drink out of your skull, bathe my feet in your breast, and eat your heart cooked whole. You think I am weak? You think that I love you because my life is mingled with yours? That I would take your offspring under my heart and nourish it with my blood, give birth to your child and take your name. But you, what are you called? What is your family name? For I'm sure you have none. Perhaps I should be Mrs. Gatekeeper or Madam Dumpy. You dog with my collar on. You lackey with my father's hallmark on your buttons. Oh, I play rival to my cook. And you think I am cowardly and would like to run away? No, I shall stay! beautiful to have it all be over with. If only that were the end. My father will have a shock and die, and that will be the end. Yes, the swords across his coffin, and the Count's line is extinct. Honors into the gutters. Serfs lying in an orphanage and end in prison.
And now is the king's blood talking. Splendid, Miss Julie.